Are you tired of guessing which keywords your competitors are ranking for? Learn how to uncover their exact keyword strategy in under 3 minutes. I'll show you the exact Semrush workflow to monitor competitors' keywords. First, we'll set up your project, then add competitors, and finally, analyze the data. Start by going to your Semrush folders. Then click on Traffic and Market. Now click on Competitor Monitoring. Review this part. Enter your domain. Then click on Plus Add Competitors. Now click on Analyze. Finally, click on Monitor Competitors' Activity 24/7. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.